Hello, CST team! To kick off our discussion on perception, I want you to go ahead and picture the following scenario. Let's say years from now, you are working as a nurse, as a doctor, or as a medical assistant, and a patient walks up to you and says, "You look like you're going to blow this place up." You're not a doctor. You're not a nurse. You're not a credible medical assistant. What would you do? What would you say? How would you react? This scenario was presented as an example in an article in the Wall Street Journal in January 2018, which documented the prejudice that doctors experience today. So, this example will lead us into our workshop today titled Me, Myself, and I, and You, where we will focus on how do we perceive our world and how do others perceive us. The 4 factors will be automatic versus conscious processing, so we will learn how these 2 factors play a role with forming first impressions, and that will also lead us into our activity with a game titled the Animal Perception Game. So we'll figure out how do our peers perceive us. Third, we will talk about the barriers to perception and how we can overcome these barriers to improve our perception of others. Finally, we will talk about impression management, so you know how to create a positive first impression in that first interaction. As we discuss these 4 factors today, I want you to think again of the questions I presented. What would you do? What would you say? And how would you react if you heard this racist comment? Let's kick off with automatic versus conscious processing.